Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to change clock font on iPhone lock screen. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Settings. Scroll down, tap Wallpaper. Tap the first lock screen page. Tap the clock. Scroll through the font and color options and tap the font you want to use. Then tap on Colors. There are a lot of colors. There are 3 different categories in which you can see the color displays. Choose the one you like. You can also choose the color from Color Pen. After changes, tap on the cross icon. Now tap on Done on the top right corner to save your changes. So this is how you can change the font of your iPhone lock screen. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.